So today's a big day. I'm getting to meet and speak in front of hundreds of successful women to offer some advice on how I effectively use social media to grow my business. Should be pretty straightforward, right? Only thing is, I hate public speaking.
Hey guys, welcome back to Danny's channel.
So we're gonna be vlogging today. We don't really have too much planned. Or so I thought.
It's because you're speaking tomorrow.
So I'm speaking tomorrow at a conference, and every time I speak, I do any public speaking, I go through this really insane process because I get so super nervous. I don't know what to say. I'm sure a lot of you guys relate. So I'm speaking on a panel at a conference about how I use social media to grow my business, but I'm speaking to their quote, not mine, 250 female CEOs, Generation X. It's nerve-wracking.
So I set up a little stage for you.
Wait, what are you doing?
Listen, I know you get a little crazy, so I set up a podium and I brought all of your wigs down for a little audience. And so I figured we could, prepare for the speech down here.
Okay.
Do you have your speech prepared?
No.
Okay, well let's practice that.
No. I'm already nervous. I nervous eat. Every single time I get nervous, I just nervous eat. I get hot Cheetos.
What do you have so far?
I wrote down 5 ways I use social media to grow my business.
So what do you do now?
Well, so, I don't know. But I was determined to figure it out with some practice. Hello, my name is Danny Austin, and I've been an influencer online for 7 years. It's been a really nice 7 years, but it's been quite the roller coaster. There's been ups and downs and twisty turnies, but I'm just thankful to be here today. But now I'm feeling sick, so I'll see you later.
Okay, so here's what's really happening today. So Danny gets really crazy every time she has any type of on stage public speaking experience, and it just stresses all of us out on the team. And so she doesn't know this, but we're gonna go downstairs and I set up a stage for her, kind of to be funny, but then the real surprise is that I actually did hire a public speaking coach. I found her, I emailed out on Instagram and I said, who is a public speaking coach? This very legit public speaking coach. She has medals on her website, came over to me. Her name's Linda. She's gonna come over today. Danny doesn't really know. I told her there's a surprise, but she doesn't really know what's going on, and it'll be really, really funny. So Cassidy and I got you something today. Any minute now, there's gonna be a public speaking coach coming over. Her name's Linda. She's done a TEDx talk. At SMU.
I'm not feeling good anymore. I'm intimidated by older people.
No, she's in the demographic, most likely, not saying what age she is, but she's probably in the demographic.
I respect her too much for her to come over to my house.
I'm gonna talk to her downstairs first because now that she's about to walk in and there's wigs.
Yeah, you're gonna freak her out. You're gonna freak her out. Is that why the dogs are upstairs? I need to get some orange juice.
No, come here. Listen, before she gets here, I just want you to.
Jacket.
I thought you were gonna dress up a little bit today.
Well, I didn't know if you were gonna have guests over.
Listen, you're gonna.
Oh my gosh, I look ridiculous.
What's this called? This is called business cash. Come here, my little public speaker. Oh,
is she here?
Fun.
I'm sorry.
So much fun. No,
Hi.
I contacted your agent 2 days ago. She got back to me the same day, and now you're here. So introduce yourself, Linda.
Hi, I'm Linda. I'm Linda Swindling, and I speak on confidence, negotiation, and communication leadership. And I was at a conference yesterday, typing and hearing, hey, you're gonna go and meet this really cool guy. I'm trying to check it out, and I'm trying to be at a business conference looking at these YouTube videos going, we're doing what? We're gonna have fun, and we're gonna make this really safe for you to get ready for your speech tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Big speech
and
tomorrow.
I'm so nervous.
But listen, Linda actually is super legit. She's gonna actually help you get ready for not just this speech, but all speeches.
Right.
Yeah, and we'll just do easy stuff.
Yeah.
There's lots and lots of stuff you can do, but we'll just do 2 or 3 techniques and kind of talk you through it.
Great. That sounds good. I love that.
So I grew up and I was a dancer. And so right before I would go out, no matter whether I was doing tap, jazz, or ballet, I would always do like some tap, right? Right? And I'll just do this. And then right before I go out, I'm loose because I remember, oh yeah, I used to do this all the time. You know, and I just have some stuff in my head that I do, right? So I think you played like a sport or something, right?
I did. Probably basketball or volleyball.
A lot of teams at the very end, they do a cheer, they chant, or they go.
Bump it, spike it, that's the way we like it. Okay, ready?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Bump it, spike it, that's the way we like it.
Okay, so we're about to exercise.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I want to apologize to my friend Jay Leno in the back.
Big open mouth, big open eyes, and all as stretch as far as you can. Okay, now squinch, all the way down and open. Okay, now shake. So, Danny, since you get tense, what happens is we kind of tense up everything.
Right.
You can always shrug your shoulders real up close to your ears and then just let them drop. And then do that again. Do it about 3 or 4 times, right?
I can't do it on command.
You have to do it. Here, look at me because it's easier to yawn than somebody else. Okay, you ready?
I get to laugh though. I swear I tried not to laugh. See, I could feel you looking at me.
I'm not looking at you.
Oh, that was a good one. That felt so good.
One more.
I don't think I can.
You know when they say getting tongue-tied or whatever?
Oh, okay.
So what I want you to do is I want you to stick out your tongue. You can do that better. Can you?
Okay, so I came up with this idea, and on this microphone you can play music through it, and so panelists here are going to give their best 15-second inspirational, motivational speech.
Hello, my name is Danny Austin, and today I have a very important message for you guys. I want you guys to know that you are a cockroach. Cockroaches survive everything. You try to throw a book at them, they still are surviving. You try to hit them with your shoe, they're still living. You can make it through anything. You are a cockroach. Thank you.
And then it was time.
You are a cockroach. You can survive anything.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
I feel like Linda would be so proud if she's here.
And I absolutely nailed it.
Baby, like it's so